Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Claude MCP to n8n. Let's get started. First, open n8n on your computer or in your browser. Make sure your workflow editor is ready. Now, go to your browser and open the Anthropic website, then log in to your account. After logging in, go to the APY section and generate your Claude API key. Copy the API key and return to n8n. Now, create a new workflow and click on the plus button to add a node. Search for an HTTP request node or any Claude-supported integration. Open the node settings and paste your API key in the authentication section. Next, configure the API endpoint for Claude MCP and set the request method to post. Now, add your prompt or input data inside the request body. Connect the node properly and save your workflow. After that, click on Execute Workflow to test your setup. If everything is correct, you will get a response from Claude inside n8n. And that's it. You have successfully connected Claude MCP to n8n. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.